All right, today I'm going to show you how to put a phone case on a phone right here. Right here I have the ESR Pro Case Protection Set. Right here you see it comes with a bunch of things on here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one on to this phone right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the package. You can see it says Classic Series Design for MagSafe. So this is a MagSafe case right here. Strong 150 gram magnetic lock, complete 360 protection for around the phone. I'm going to go ahead and open this up so we can take a look at this before we put it on. Open it carefully. Just going to slide this out. And voila, here is the case that I'm going to be putting on. This part right here. Good. Put that right here. So this is the MagSafe part right here. It shows you where the MagSafe goes right here. They have a little circular area right here, and there is an opening for the cameras where the cameras go. So I'm going to sit that down for a second. And inside here is it's for the rim of the phone, or the edges of the phone, protection. And inside of the package, there is parts to go to it, wipe set. This is ESR. Unleash the full power of MagSafe. This is protection for over the camera. Pull this out right here. These are lens protectors right here. And there are instructions for those of you who need basic instructions. That's what basic instructions are for basic people. All right, it shows you brief instructions. Remember to read all this before you actually apply the case. Inside of this pack right here are wet wipes. Now these are used to clean the surface. Let's see if we can open these. Is there a safety or a pin? Oh, here it goes, just slides out. So here are the wet wipes. Here are clean cloth right here. See that? And here are dust removal stickers. These are used to, of course, remove dust. And inside of here, these are for the edges, I believe, of the phone, for additional protection, I believe. Go ahead and take these out of the package. And going to take these out of the package right here. Go ahead and take these out of the package. See, let's just open this up. Get in here somehow. All right, got it. So these are for the buttons right here. Set these to the side so I don't lose them. I'm going to get started. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use the wet wipe, and I'm going to wipe it down Boosie style, the phone. But first I'm going to take it out of the packet, or the old case. I'm going to go and take this old case off. And basically I'm going to open up one of the wipes. All right, I have one of the wipes. I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to wipe it down Boozy style. Going to get the camera lens on the back first and foremost, and then wipe down the exterior of the phone. And getting the front of the camera, screen, remove all the crud, dirt, everything else. Make sure you get the edges. Now this right here has a protective glass case on the top of it, so I won't be applying the glass case that actually came with it on the other side, because there's protection on this. So I'm not gonna, if you look really closely, you'll see there's a glass that's been placed on top of it. That is a protector glass that goes on top of the phone to protect the screen. This is dust removal stickers. Please keep sticker until all steps are completed. All right, so you could use these. I just wiped it down, so I don't feel like I need to use the dust removal sticker. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and here's a dry. Go ahead and wipe this down like that. All right, so now that I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over from the flip side. And I'm going to take this. This is going to be on the lens. The lens on the right there. And here's a glass cover that I was talking about that goes on the front. But since I have one on there already, I'm just going to save this and put this to the side and use this for later. So this is ESR. This is the screen. I'm not going to apply this one because I already have a screen on my phone currently. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this part and I'm going to align this onto the phone. Pull that off right there. You can see that goes like this. And I'm just going to line this up right here. Whoa. Now it's sticky, so you want to make sure you get it right the first time. So I'm going to put this right here. Align it perfectly so you don't mess it up. Now some people would say put this on last, but I put it on first just to show you my skills. But it makes sense to put the case on first and then put this down there, but I did it my way. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. And it fits. Now, I have the back part of the case on here. I'm just gonna press this lens protector on here to make sure that it's nice and secure. And then I'm going to take this part and put it on. Now, voila. Let's see, where did these things go? Got to do this right. Yada, 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 yada. Oh, I think I did this backwards. There you have it. And press. This goes on the back side right here. Going to go ahead, Wait a minute. Am I doing this right? Guess I am. Oh, here we go. Wait a minute. Let me look at the instructions really quickly. We're going to do this together. All right, it says, place phone on a non-slip mat. Did all that. And there you have it. Did it right here. Put the case on. Thanks a lot for watching, I think.